So it's a foggy October morning. We're gonna head out to Silver Falls and see some waterfalls and some pretty fall colors, hopefully. Let's go. We made it out to Silver Falls. I don't know if I've ever actually introduced myself on any of these videos, but I'm Stephanie. I like to walk, I hate to run, and it's rainy outside. This hike has like 10 waterfalls on it. It's really epic. I'll introduce you to the people we are here hiking with today. Here we have Adrian, my girlfriend, and her mom, Leslie. We're gonna hike today. We're heading up the rim trail right now. I prefer to do the hike this way because you get to end at South Falls seeing the big fall rather than starting there. And I just kind of like, I like the path. We're gonna sneak down this other trail here real quick to see Winter Falls. To the left, Winter Falls to the left. This is Winter Falls, the first falls of the hike. And now we're heading back up to the rim trail. It just takes like a quarter mile out of your way, but you don't want to miss one of the waterfalls. Show me the tiny mushrooms. Oh, so cute. Tiny mushrooms. Bye-bye, giant leaf. Can you hear it? North Falls off in the distance. Oh, there it is. First views of North Falls through the trees. Check it out. So we're going to Upper North Falls now. We are at the parking lot, and you kind of go under this bridge here. Here's a place where you will not want to get turned around. This little junction here. This, as you can see, is the perimeter trail. No waterfalls. This will take you like 20 miles into the backcountry. This path will take you about half a mile to a waterfall. This way. That's better. This here is Upper North Falls. See? 60-some feet high. We're almost to North Falls. This is one of the two bigger falls of the hike. Ready for this? North Falls. Very nice. Headed down the canyon. See some more waterfalls. This is where it starts to get good. right, just made it to Twin Falls. Right there.
This is the top of North Middle Falls. Don't go down there.
Just trekking on down to North Middle Falls. Check that out. What? Nice. That was Drake Falls. It's one of the smaller falls on this loop. And so we go on. Heading up to Double Falls right now. I believe this is the tallest waterfall on the trail. This is your favorite waterfall, right, Adrian?
Yes, it is.
Is this one Double Falls?
Yes.
The other one's Twin Falls. The North Falls, Middle North Falls, Double Middle North Falls. Easy to remember, guys. Easy to remember. Snacks! And that right there is Lower North Falls. We're approaching Lower South Falls right now. I am running a race here next weekend, and this is like the last mile and a half, and it's up those stairs. It is not fun. See them? Zoom, 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 zoom. Very wet at this one. The ground is just like puddles for days.
Here they are, the stairs. There they are, more stairs.
Let's do this. Wait. Pause for the waterfall. Now we're gonna walk and look at the waterfall.
It's beautiful. Look, past the top of the stairs.
That was the final step. Made it to the top. Look, we were down
Way down there, just a few moments ago.
All right, we're closing in on the end of this hike. Just another about 3/4 of a mile-ish. And then we'll be at South Falls. And then we can eat some food and sit down. It'll be great. Bye. Whoa, check this out. Are you ready for this? Ah, there she is. All right, there she is. So we're gonna go up the trail over here and around and back up to there. Let's go. Gotta catch up with everybody. Had to stop and take some pictures. Okay, I gotta stop and take some more pictures. Yeah. We did it! I'm kind of tired. Kind of tired.
All right, let's go have a sit and eat some
Ooh,
food.
yeah, sit and food. The lodge is back there somewhere. Snack time, snack time!
We found the lodge. There she is.
Heading out of the lodge. We had some hot cocoa and snacks, and now we're gonna head home and eat some more food. Just got home. It's still a foggy October day. See you next time. Thank you for watching, everybody. I have finally found some time to edit videos from the past few months, so more to come. And with that, I have a recommendation. You should check out the channel, The Wild Native. Hannah is from the UK. She makes excellent videos, and she might even like walking better than I do. And with that, I will catch you next time.